Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Holman window screens for the side hinge door on GM vans. Let's get into it. All right, like I mentioned, this is going to be window screens for the side door on GM vans. So that is your GMC Savana, your Chevrolet Express. And again, it's going to be the hinge door as opposed to the side sliding door. Obviously different size window on those two different doors. So this is going to be for those hinge doors. We have hinge doors on the van behind us, but we do not have glass. But you can still install these on vans that don't have glass if you want to use them for organizational purposes or what have you. We're doing it because we want to demonstrate how to install it on this van. And so right on top here, I have a couple of things. Number one, our Holman warranty. This has a 3-year warranty from the factory. The only caveat is you do need to purchase this from an authorized Holman retailer like upfitsupply.com. Take that into consideration before making your purchase. We also have a illustrated installation guide right here. Gives you drawings, how to install it. It's a relatively straightforward install. These are kind of generic for all of their window screens for all the different vehicles that they make because installation is basically the same. You hold the screen up to the window, make marks, do a little pre-drilling, and use the provided sheet metal screws and lock washers to attach it. So we got our first window screen right here. These are going to be side specific. We do have a stamped part number here on this little plate. It's 4070C-2, and I'm assuming this is going to be -1. And as you can see, they are different sizes. So these are powder coated gray. It's a matte finish, so you're not going to get any of that glare. We've got a lot of lighting going on here in our studio here. You can see you're not really getting any glare off of that, which is great. Like I said, installation is pretty straightforward. You basically hold this up against the window, make sure all of your little points here are making contact. Then you're going to make marks, do a little pre-drilling, and use your sheet metal screws to attach those. You know, these are pretty thick steel wire, just to give you an idea of the size of these little squares. We're about 1 inch and 3/8 by 1 inch and 3/8 little squares here on these window screens. So pretty simple unboxing. Again, this is just for the side door. If you're looking for the rear door, there's going to be a separate part number. We're going to show you those next. Looking for how to install this, we'll show you in another video. Again, if you're looking for any equipment like this for your van to make sure it's ready for work, get it ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.